In this video, I'll show you how to make GPT-4 or ChatGPT faster. So many of us has noticed upon the release of GPT-4 that OpenAI's new chatbot was incredibly slow. This left scores of users frustrated, as GPT-4 was meant to be a step up from GPT 3.5, not backward. So when we are using GPT-4, we can see GPT-4 is so slow because parameters determine the skill the chatbot has to interact with users. While GPT 3.5 has 175 billion parameters, GPT-4 has an incredible 100 trillion to 170 trillion parameters. So how to make GPT-4 or ChatGPT faster? So for the faster user experience, we have to keep only one tab open. Here in the tab option, you have to remove all the tab that is working, and you have to open only one tab open, and the other is reload when speed is extremely slow. So here when we are facing the slow speed, we have to reload the page, and this will be a bit faster. And then change browser. So you have to change the browser. Sometimes browser you are using can affect the speed of your chat. So you have to change browser and run the ChatGPT on that. And the last option is clear history of ChatGPT. So from the left top, you have to delete the chat history of the ChatGPT, and this will make your chat speed faster and GPT-4 faster. So hope this will helpful for you. Thank you.